Hey everybody, Captain Xavi Gonzalez here. Today I'm gonna show you. I'm here for a quick airplane unboxing review. And so, yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. You know that in a second. Yeah, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. I recommend you do it. And so, let's go get in the unboxing. Give me a second. Okay, and so I have it here. It's my Thai Airways Airbus A350 single plane model by Daron. Yeah, obviously it's a very nice aircraft. And let me take pictures of it in the box. Yeah, so right there, yeah, it's got the airplane model. Yeah, it's got Thai Airways. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I like the way it says right there. It's got the airplane taken off. And I don't know what airport is that, but that's got to be in Thailand. Yeah, it's got to be Thailand capital's airport. Yeah, looks nice. And so, yeah, let me go ahead and unbox it. And so right here, I got the airplane model out of the box. It looks very nice. As you can see, I mean, stickers not, I don't think they're set up right. Oh no, they almost look set up right. Yeah, and that's a very cool model. Yeah, I got this for Christmas in 2022. Yeah, that's a nice one, and no, I show it to you. That's in it that I opened that along with the United Airlines. With the United Airlines airport playset and the new livery. Yeah, this one looks super cool. I like it. Yeah. So it's great to have it here. Yeah. Yeah, doesn't got no registration number. Oh, but it's got the Thailand flag right there on the tail. Yeah, on the top of the tail. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, right there doesn't, on the right side doesn't got no registration number either. And it still has real toy, but it's no longer real toy, it's just Daron. Yeah. And so, yeah, let me go ahead and unbox and put it down. set it down on the table. Yeah, okay, and so that's gonna wrap it up. Yeah, this airplane unboxing review. Sorry I took so long in uploading videos. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. I recommend you do it. Already more than 800 subscribers. And so, I'll see you again tomorrow for another airplane unboxing review. Have a good night.